Hey Fast Cab, this is Jen. Here is a few improvements I made at home over the past weekend. And first one is I have my husband put in this little shelf here for the spare roll of toilet paper, which makes it very convenient since if you run out, then you don't have to go all the way over here to this little cupboard to get that spare roll of toilet paper. The next improvement saves me time in the morning, and it's this little clock I put in, and I used some track dots from FastCap to keep it from sliding off that little ledge there. This saves me time not going back and forth out of the bathroom to find out what time it is in the morning. The next one is this little curling iron holder, which my son made for me, and it's got this nice little basket which is heat proof, and it gets this curling iron off the counter. Next, I put in this little brass hook, which also keeps this cord from hanging out all over the place. Used some fast wrap to hold that together. So those are my improvements here at home. Hope you enjoy them. Thanks.